How to contact Shopify support. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for that, just open up your account, then simply click on this option of My Store at the top right hand side corner. Then click on this option of Help Center. Wait for it to load, and as soon as it loads, you will find this option of support at the top. Just click on this option of Contact Support over here, and after it loads up, just select your issue that you are facing with. Suppose you are facing issue with this option of account, just click on it. After that, select any of the option, and here you will be provided with solutions. But when you scroll down, you will be able to see that there is an option to contact them using email, or you can simply chat with them, or you can go with the community and ask for help. And this is how you will be able to get the support from Shopify. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.